Hey everyone, Josh here. I just thought I'd give you a look at the drone that I found yesterday. Oh, it was at the bottom of the waterfall, so they've obviously had a big crash. And yeah, here it is. It's a GoPro Karma. So it doesn't look like it was a cheap one. It's worth a fair bit of money. But yeah, it's just metal detecting at the bottom of the waterfall and found this in the water. So I found that, and then after I got that out, I had another little look with the detector and found the GoPro. So yeah, it's a little GoPro 5, smashed screen on the back, which is a shame because if it didn't smash the screen it might have been alright, because they're waterproof and all, but it did have the side case off it, so I'd say water would have got in no matter what. But I managed to get the memory card out of it, so I've had a look, but the crash footage hasn't been saved to the memory card because it probably crashed and it didn't have a chance to save it. But I was spewing because it'd really be good to get some of the footage from the crash. But anyway, there is some footage on it which I might upload. But anyway, I'll see you on the next one.